Hello, friends. For some weird reason, the Season 9 clip show of The Microwave Show was not published out to any of you, which is why, even though it's been on YouTube now for 48 hours, very few of you have actually watched it. So this video is a quick, friendly reminder. Please click the link in the center of the screen at any time. Go over there, watch the clip show. I spent a lot of time on it. I'm sure you're going to love it, and it's a great way to get excited for our 10th season, which starts up on April 4th, which is this coming Monday. But until then, check out the clip show. Let me know what you think about it, and enjoy.